Rocketbook. Others may stop there, but we're maniacs obsessed with blending old-fashioned notebooks with future and awesome. So we've spent a year in the Rocket Lab designing a new notebook that feels like pen and paper, but is endlessly reusable and completely integrated with your digital lifestyle. Introducing the Core Notebook from Rocketbook. The Core brings cloud scalability to pen and paper. Simply write, scan, and erase. Imagine look and feel like paper, but they're actually constructed from a polyester composite rather than wood. You write on the Core using any pen from the Pilot Friction line, which are available in-store and online. Writing on the Core feels perfectly natural and smooth. And as the ink dries, it forms a complete bond to the polyester page, so it won't rub off. But what makes this formulation so unique is that each page can be wiped completely clean with a moist towel, so it can be used over and over and over again. The Core Notebook is also compatible with the Rocketbook app, so before you wipe your notes off the page, you can blast them online to your favorite cloud services. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Core Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or many other services. You could configure your diamond to send meeting notes directly to your shared team folder in Dropbox. Or students could configure their star symbol to send notes right to a math folder in Google Drive. So you can make that list, break out that diagram, or color in that drawing. Then tomorrow, start your day with a brand new notebook. With the Core,